Let's solve this equation quickly. It says root of x plus 2x is equal to 4. We are required to find x. Okay, so first thing we do is to isolate root of x on one side, okay, so that we can easily square it and remove the square root sign. So to do that, we subtract 2x from both sides. So we say root of x plus 2x minus 2x is equal to 4 minus 2x, right? So 2x minus 2x will strike out, and then we are left with root of x is equal to 4 minus 2x, right? Now, the next thing you do is to square both sides. So we say root of x squared is equal to 4 minus 2x all squared, alright? Now, root of any number squared is that number. So root of x squared would be x, okay? And this is equal to 4 minus 2x all squared, the same thing as 4 minus 2x times 4 minus 2x, okay? Have that our x would be equal to 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times minus 2x is minus 8x. Minus 2x times 4 is minus 8x. Minus 2x and minus 2x is plus 4x squared. Okay, so we now have that our x is equal to 16 minus 16x plus 4x squared. Rearranging this, we can say that this is now 4x squared minus 16x plus 16 is equal to x. Okay, now subtracting x from both sides, okay, so we have 4x squared minus 16x plus 16 minus x is equal to x minus x. Okay, now this eliminates so that we have this to be equal to 0. And the equation we now have is that 4x squared minus 17x plus 16 is equal to 0. We've gotten a quadratic equation, and we can solve this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So solving this using the quadratic formula states that our x will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. From this equation, our a is 4, b is negative 17, and our c is 16. So we now have that our x will be equal to minus times minus 17 is plus 17 plus or minus square root of minus 17 squared is 289 minus 4 times 4 times 16, alright, which is 4ac all over 2 times a is 2 times 4. Okay, moving on, our x becomes equal to 17 plus or minus square root of 289 minus 16 times 16 is 256 all over 8. Okay, from here our x becomes equal to 17 plus or minus square root of 289 minus 256 is 33. Okay, all over 8. Okay, so it's either our x is 17 plus root 33 over 8 or 17 minus root 33 over 8. Okay, so these are the answers to this question. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.